This executive order is in response to the federal government's recent restrictions on who can get the COVID booster this fall.
If you want your child to have a COVID shot, it should be available to you, and it should be covered by insurance. And that's something that's really important to me. So what I'm doing now is signing a executive order because extreme times call for extreme measures.
Governor Kathy Hochul signed an executive order this morning allowing anyone 3 and up to get a COVID vaccine at the pharmacy without a prescription from their doctor. Dr. Thomas Russo, chief of infectious disease at UB and the VA of Western New York, says this is welcome news.
This new executive order is going to eliminate that barrier of access that has been in place since the FDA authorized a limited sort of subset of individuals that would be eligible to get the vaccination, and in the absence of CDC recommendations. So we were left in a limbo.
The executive order is in response to the federal government putting restrictions on who can get the COVID vaccine this fall. The FDA licensed it for people 65 and older and people 6 months to 64 years old with an underlying health condition, leaving out a lot of people.
Of course, this is important because last respiratory virus season, 90% of influenza and COVID vaccines were administered by our pharmacists.
The executive order will be in effect for 30 days with an option to renew while the governor works with the state legislature on a long-term solution. Kids ages 6 months to 3 years aren't covered by the executive order, but Dr. Russo says they can get the vaccine from their pediatrician.
In the past, insurance companies have covered the cost of the COVID vaccine. I asked the governor's office if that'll stay the same this year. And within the past few minutes, a spokesperson from the state health department got back to me saying, quote, New Yorkers should not see any additional out-of-pocket costs as a result of this executive order. We are evaluating longer-term coverage solutions while ensuring immediate access through pharmacies, end quote. On your side in the newsroom, Kelly Dudzik, Channel 2 News.